Hey guys, it's JQ Crafty. Welcome back to Product Focus Friday, Spring Cleaning Edition. Oh, sorry, I got cords kind of hanging in my face. Maybe you didn't see them, but they're bothering me. Today I am playing with a little mini kit from the scrap room that I have. That's the Girls Paperie by Margie. This is called Jubilee. It's from the Jubilee collection, and this is from back in 2011. So I already kind of started looking at what papers I wanted to use because I was running behind a little bit. I was having some technical difficulties. If you saw my short, I tried that out. Don't know if people saw it. Thought it was kind of cool. But I cut the branding strips off two of the papers. So I'm going to play with this paper called Heyday, which is this awesome grid paper. I love a good grid for like a good background. And then it's got this like crazy bold orange on the back. Yeah, I don't necessarily need that. This very old photo of me and my sisters in our pajamas. And it's funny because I feel like most of the pictures growing up were all posed. So I love this photo because it's clearly not posed. None of us are looking at the camera and we're mid-laughter. So it's actually like a candid shot, which I feel like never happened. Back in the, like, I feel like you just didn't do that. I don't know. And then I'm going to play with this picnic blanket paper, which is this one. And the back is this very nice soft pink. What I love about papers like this is I can easily do the diagonal design that I love to do with these papers, because you don't need to worry if your trimmer is big enough or not to fit, because there's lines for you to cut straight down the center. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it right now. And I've got perfect diagonal half. And we're gonna slap it on here. And we're gonna keep, oh, that's interesting. Well, that might be where my photo goes. I might cover that up because I don't like the way that looks, how it blends in because it's the same pattern, but it's going the wrong direction. Yeah, we'll cover that up with the photo. So let's get started. So this ended up being relatively simple and quick. And of course I had all these plans laid out for me to have time to finish voicing over the video and posting it. And I love when work gets in the way and makes all of my plans disappear. I was at work almost 2 hours longer than I was supposed to be yesterday. And then, yeah, it was a whirlwind. So I'll just say that. So it is actually going up Saturday. So I apologize to anybody who is looking forward to it. But yeah, life. Anywho, but it's done. And the page came together super fast. I actually was surprised. I didn't think I was going to have time to do it before work. I only had 30 minutes. And so it came together and I was like, wow, I really like this. Yeah, and I just sat there and played and kind of grabbed what I had. So we've got the background set, right? It's good to go. So now I'm layering up some papers behind the photo. I grabbed one of those light blue cardstocks that came in the kit and matted the photo on that. Then I'm taking the cutoff of this orange paper, which is the back of the grid paper, and I'm kind of jimmying up a full mat on that. Just had to cut the corner. Sorry about the close-up of my ponytail. And then doing the other side of this, the quilted pattern one, because it's a nice pink. And then I'm going to do one more bigger layer, like wider layer of the blue, just to give it a lot of oomph. There's not a lot of embellishments in this kit. There's only the 3 little flag pins and one puffy, fun, like, what are those called? They're in the new, are they in the new Paige Evans collection too? But they're like crepe and and you can buy them for like birthday decorations too to hang on your wall. I don't know what they're called. But anyway. So I'm gonna line my photo up right there. It does move a little bit, but not a ton. And I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go opposite corners. We're gonna stick 2 little flags up here, and then we're gonna stick one flag in that little crepe thing. whatever it's called, down on the other side. And there's a little word sticker on it too that says enjoy, I think. So what's awesome is that this thing's backed by foam. So I'm just going to stick the flag into the foam and it's not going anywhere. And the adhesive is still pretty good on this too. And then the pins I actually kind of pinned through the paper. Since I have so many layers, I pinned them through the paper. So I stuck it in on top of the blue, but then angled it down so it went through. So they're like pinned in place. So then I was like, all right, well, now what? So I went and grabbed, I'm trying to use my thickers as much as possible, especially with these kits where there's no title or anything with it. So I went and grabbed some. These ones, are these an old Chamel set or something? They're called Hello Joy. I grabbed them from Joann's when, like a couple, maybe in January or something, they were having tons of sales on like all their thickers and stuff. But they're black on one side and white on the other, and I really like the one that says Happy Dream. There's Dream and Happy, so my title's going to be Dream and Happy. We're all in our PJs, works. And then I thought, you know, it'd be really pretty is to put behind this some like white flowers. So I didn't really have time to go cut out my own cut file, and I have all these cut files from Creative Cuts Club that I haven't used yet. I'm just hoarding them apparently. That's another goal this year, is trying to get a lot of those used up. And I remembered in one of them, I think it was floral themed, and I was right. April of 2020, the whole theme was floral, I believe. And so this was a set of cut files, and I'm gonna futz with it for a little bit here. I'm just trying to figure out like how I want them, and I start just by using two, but then I feel like then this third one's left out and he feels bad, and I didn't like that. So I then figure out a way, oh duh, I can cut them because a lot of it's being hidden, and so I start cutting them up and tucking them in. But anyway, so it's a 3-pack, and let me try to see if I can find who it's by, because that would be really helpful. But it's a trio of 2 corner florals and then this one like bigger center floral. Oh, if I could find it, that'd be awesome. Right now I'm not having any luck. But yeah, I ended up deciding where I want them and that I can just cut off a chunk, and it's like, duh, that makes so much sense. So I'm gonna do that while I look for who made this cut file. And some of you are probably like, oh, I already know. And here's Jackie just trying to find it. It is a trio of flowers by Wild Pilot. So if you want to find them, I'm pretty sure they're on Etsy. Super pretty. Their picture is them cut in black, but I'm really glad I have them in white. So I finally figured out the way I want them, and all I'm going to do is glue down my photo. I put lots of adhesive on the back and then leave everything loose. And so this just creates a really fun like texture and matte around my photo that is all just little bits of florals and greenery. And yeah, I really like the way it turns out. Then I remembered I have just this one strip of yellow enamel dots laying on my desk in my kind of leftover bin. So I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the yellow dots. There's like one like corally red one, so I'll stick that on there too. And then in that Creative Cuts package, there was also some sequins. So I'm going to just scatter a few of those sequins. I'll get a handful of them. And you'll see that in a second after I put my title down, which is Dream Happy. And I'm not going to do any journaling or anything because I don't remember. I just know it's a really cute photo of my sisters and I when we were quite young. I bet I am, the littlest looks like she's 2 or 3, which means, yep, I was probably about 10 is what I'm thinking. And I'm the far left, and my sister in the middle is probably about 6, and then the one on the right is about 2 or 3, I bet. So, yeah. And that's it. So there will be some close-ups here at the end. I apologize again that it's coming up late. Life has just been, we've been short at work. I don't need excuses for you guys because really it doesn't matter. I have it up. It's for your entertainment. Sorry. But yeah, it's been crazy. I'm hoping to get my crap together here pretty soon. Oh, just some me time is all I need. Just good, like a whole day of me time would be great. I know it's not realistic, but here you go. Thanks for watching again. We'll see you next Friday. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.